How to get the name of an exception that was caught in Python. How can I get the name of an exception that was raised in Python? For example, I am catching multiple, or all, exceptions, and want to print the name of the exception in an error message.
Here are a few different ways to get the name of the class of the exception. Type exception._name_, exception._class_name_, exception._class_class_qua_name_. For example,
if you want the fully qualified class name, for example sqalchemy.exp.integrityerror instead of just integrityerror, you can use the function below, which I took from MB's awesome answer to another question. I just renamed some variables to suit my tastes. Example.
You can print the exception using some formatted strings. Example.
You can also use sys.exc_info. Exc_info returns 3 values: type, value, traceback. On documentation, this URL.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.